Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are in. I welcome you to this tutorial. This is the Rooms Exchange. You are welcome wherever you are watching me from. Are you watching from YouTube or Facebook? Wherever you are watching me, you are highly welcome. I want to review this platform to you. I have been using it for a very long time. I decided to share it with you people. I know you are going to like it. Now, if you want to buy coin, if you want to buy any type of coin, you must not go. If you want to buy USDT or any other coin, there are one platform you have to do it. For those of us that are in Nigeria, we know that P2P is no longer working in Nigeria. They banned P2P in some platform like Binance. P2P is no longer working there. Then we have another option I have been using to buy my USDT. Not even USDT, any type of coin, I can buy it direct from there and transfer it to my wallet where I want to buy other coins. Now, I want you to pay attention to this video. Pay attention and see what I will be doing. I'm going to do it practically. I want to buy coin from my mobile, from my local bank account. Okay, so pay attention. Then see the application we are going to make use of. The name of the application is BoundlessPay. You may be having heard about it, or today will be the first time of you hearing about it. Look at the application here, BoundlessPay. If you don't have it, I will send the link of this application in the comment section or in the description of this video. But when you log in, when you tap on the link, follow the link and download it from Play Store and do your registration. It's very simple. Then after that, you come to the app and open it like this. So this is the interface of the platform. You can see nothing is here. I have $0 here because I haven't deposit. Then I want to deposit into this platform from my local bank account. So from here, I will buy any type of coin I want to buy. What's the next step? Just come to receive. Click on receive. If you are in Nigeria, click on Nigeria. These are the countries that are listed that are eligible to use this platform: Nigeria, USA, United Arab Emirates, South Africa, and China. These 5 countries are included here. So I'm in Nigeria. I'm going to use Nigeria bank. Then I'll click on Nigeria. I'll click on virtual account. Now they will give me my account number on this BoundlessPay. You can see the account name, that is Premier Trust Bank is the account name. You can see the account number here. This is my account username, so you can read this thing. You can read this information. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this account number and go to my local bank account and make transfer to this account number you're seeing here. I copy it, now copied, and I go back. I'll go to, so this is my OPay account. This is my OPay account. Then let me make transfer now. I paste the account number I copied from BoundlessPay. The name of the bank is here. I'll tap on it. Then I click on continue. Then I have to confirm. Then I'll put the amount I want. I want to put 60,000 naira. I want to fund 60,000 naira. I'll put 60,000. The reason why I put 1 is that they will charge 100 naira. 100 naira will be their charge. For example, now if I transfer exactly 60,000 naira to that BoundlessPay account, they will charge you 100 naira. Instead of you seeing 60,000 naira, you will see 59,900 naira in that BoundlessPay account. Then what I have to do now, I will put 100 naira. Now 60,100 is what I'm about to transfer now. Click on confirm. Click on continue. I click on pay. The transfer is successful. Then I'll go back to my BoundlessPay and check whether I will see it there. I'll refresh. Yeah, the 60,000 naira is $42. $42. Now, if you look down here, you can see the value in naira. You can see down there. Now, we have funded this account. Now, for example, if you want to buy any coin you want, how are we going to do it? How are we going to do it? Now, what you're going to do, first pay attention. You click on wallets. Click on get started. When you look down here, you can see crypto or fiat. Then switch to crypto because you are buying crypto. Now, we are going to click here. Click other coins. So these are the coins that are listed in this platform. Now, I want to buy. I'll click on Solana. I'll click on buy. Do you get what I did now? Let me go back. I search for Solana here. This is Solana. I click on Solana. The next thing I click on buy. Then select access to buy from. Remember, this is my asset. I want to do 60,000 naira to buy Solana. Then I click on this thing. Then I put the amount I want to use to buy Solana. Then 60,000. 60,000 will give you 0.33 Solana. Then next step is I click on refresh and click on next. You will receive Solana equivalent to 0.33. Then the value in naira is 60,000 naira. This is the exchange rate. Hope you have seen it. Payment method instant buy. Then click on refresh for you to click next. Then confirm. Purchase successfully. Go back to wallet. I have used the 60,000 naira to buy Solana. You can see other coins you can see the value here. So I have bought my Solana. Click on it. So this is Solana. You can see it here. You can see it here. So that is how to buy any coin we want. Now, maybe you want to transfer this Solana to, let me say, OKS wallet, Bybit wallet, or Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. Like you want to buy any other coins from that wallet. How are you going to transfer it? The first thing, go to wallet you want to transfer. You want to receive the Solana. I'm making use of OKS wallet. I will pull it. First of all, you click on receive. Click on receive. Then you select Solana because you are transferring Solana. You want to receive Solana. Click on Solana for you to copy the address. Then this is the address. You copy it. It's not copied. You go back to BoundlessPay. Click on send. Send via crypto. Then here we select the amount you want to transfer. I'm transferring all. Then I'll click on mask. Then here I paste this one address I copied. Paste it here. The next thing, I click on next and click on confirm. Sent successfully. View transaction history. Go there and view history. So I told you I've been making use of this thing. You can see my previous transaction. You can see it here. These are my previous transaction. You can see it's still pending. It's still pending. Refresh. Now it's not completed. It's not completed. Then I go back to my OKS wallet to check it. Refresh. Yeah. You can see my balance has increased. See it here. It's very simple. It's very simple. For you to go to Bybit and they will scam you, just come here and do your stuff without any stress. So this is how to use this platform. If you like this platform, I'll drop the link of the app in the comment section on the description of this video. Then go there and download the app and sign up by beginning to make use of it. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe so that you're receiving an important message from this application. This is Trump's Exchange. Thank you and God bless you.